Alright, so we're ready to start the design process, but first we need to get the grid onto our paper. So you can find this in the resources. You can print it onto 8.5 by 11 paper or A4 size. You only need one, but you can print extras if you like. This is the 4/3 MAD grid. So go ahead and print that out. Okay, you can see that I've got the light pad already on the easel. Next you need your paper. Okay, go ahead and tear a sheet out of that. The way I do it is just use the blue tape and use 2 pieces, and I leave a little bit of extra room on the bottom so I can sign it and date it and all that stuff. So, and then I leave a little extra room on the top so I can apply the tape and then center it from left to right. Doesn't really matter how you do it as long as the grid's on there and you can use it while we develop the drawing. Okay, so there's one. Alright, so that's taped on there. I'll go ahead and turn that over. Now we're going to use our light pad to draw the rectangle around that 4/3 grid. So if your light pad is dimmable or chargeable, or it's running out of batteries, you can plug it in, turn it on, you can adjust the illuminance, and you want to find a nice balance between the grid underneath and then the overhead lighting, so you can see, you want to be able to see your sketch but also the grid underneath. So you can just adjust that until it looks right. But we're going to use our pencil and ruler and draw that rectangle around the 4/3 grid. Alright, so congratulations, you just used the grid for the first time. So we have our rectangle, and you can turn your light pad off and see just the rectangle. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and sign it. I usually sign it and then I add the grid and the ratio on there. That way I can look back and get the ratio correct when I enlarge for the canvas. But I don't date it until I'm done with the drawing. So this is a 4/3 grid with a ratio of 1.333. You don't have to know the ratio unless you're enlarging it. Okay, so that's it. You've got the grid on your paper, and now you're ready to start the design process.